Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will discuss public interest litigation. The meaning of this term can be understood by the term itself. Public interest litigation. Litigation for the interest of public at large. Okay. To institute a litigation for public interest, the litigant has to fulfill on condition, that is, the litigation is filing for the securing of public interest. Okay. Public interest litigation can be filed by any person in favor of public if they are incapable of filing such a litigation due to some incapability such as poverty, helpless, or other disability. To institute such a litigation, it must be so that there is a public cause. Whole community or a portion of community are affected by such a cause, and this may be filed by an individual, by an organization, even the judge himself filed it because the judge is himself a individual. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.